And when we were doing the parliament work to bring the Parliament of World Religions to Dallas, one of the things that she and I shared was that, any place, any religious place you go, everybody's wearing the huge costumes, garbs and all. Why can't we just be ourselves, relate with everyone? I'm glad to see you. She has participated across the board. This is a recognition we do at the Unity Day, which is an annual event to bring people, Americans of all hues, religions, faiths, races, ethnicities, to come together and rededicate ourselves as good human beings. She's been a part of that, and one of the other events we did was called Quran Conference. There are a lot of misunderstandings about every religious text, and she was a part to read the verses from Quran herself and explain to the public. So she has been a part of many of these events, and we are very proud of her contribution in the interfaith work. And here is a small plaque that we give every year to 3 to 5 people who have done extraordinary work of crossing the bridges. It's like being Jesus. Or Krishna. Or Muhammad. Or any one of those guys or girls, they never had any barriers between them and fellow human beings. Petra doesn't have that barrier. That's why I said that. Like Krishna, like Jesus, Muhammad. None of these guys ever had barriers. When Jesus said, follow me, or Krishna said, surrender to me, or Allah says, submit to my will, what they're saying is, not wear clothes like me, not do rituals like me, become like me. Jesus embraced the whole humanity. So did Krishna, so did Muhammad. And I appreciate you for your embrace of humanity. And here is a flag that we do. It's Unity Day, USA. Ellery, would you like to read this? Veronica.